Today I'll be showing you how to set up a new service user type. To do this, we need to firstly go into the back end of the environment, which is accessed through our settings tab here at the top. Once within settings, we're going to come to a service user. This might also be called client, depending on how your environment's been configured. Once within service user, we're going to scroll our mouse down to service user, and then finally types here at the top. Now, a service user type is essentially just referring to what category your service user would fall under. Typically, this could be an individual, meaning that your service user requires care delivered at their home. Or you could have, for example, today, to create a new one, I'm going to use the example of organization, meaning that your service user is actually part of an organization, meaning that your carers would typically go to deliver care at a care home, where more than one service user are going to be there. Once we've selected our description type as organization and our type here as organization from the drop-down box so that everything matches, we can now work our way through these remaining tick boxes to make sure that we have everything enabled or disabled accordingly. Once we've worked through these fields, we can press save here at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once we press save, you can now see that our new type of organization has joined the list. If we were to drill into this record, we can now see that we have two tabs available for us at the top. And this is essentially just referring to the tasks that we have set up in our configuration session, which was session 1. So essentially these are the tasks that are going to be carried out on your service user. So here we've got care plan and risk assessment. I'm going to leave these ticked as we want these tasks to be performed. And here moving along we have termination tasks. Again, we've got handback keys and retrieval equipment. I'm going to ensure these are enabled as we want these tasks to be running in the future. Now that we've worked through our tabs and clicked save, our record is now within the list available. However, you may notice on the right hand side we have apply in yellow text. Essentially, for the changes that we've just made to pull through into the front end of the system, we need to click apply. Once applied, you'll notice that the status now changes to submitted. If I was to apply this one here at the top as well, you'll see that the bottom one that we'd recently applied has now changed its status from submitted to applied. So if we were to refresh here, we can now see that everything has applied. It is important to do these, as without applying your changes, it will not bring through these changes to the front end of the environment. It will remain on the back end until the system is told otherwise. This is how to set up a new service user type. I hope this video has been useful.